Hello and welcome back to Teachers Helpers videos. This video is designed to help students, teachers, and parents understand the definition of perimeter and how to find the perimeter of multiple complex shapes. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the perimeter of multiple shapes using the perimeter formula. Before we get started, please give this video a like and comment below. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Perimeter means to add all sides of a shape. The formula for perimeter is L plus W plus W. The L stands for length and the W stands for width. As you can see in the example, the rectangle has a width of 7 and a length of 3. So if we apply the formula, we get 7 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3, which is 20. Now this is easy when you have a shape with equal sides. Keep in mind, width means how wide something is, or measured horizontally, and length means how tall something is and is measured vertically. Now let's take a look at some of these complex shapes. When you get a shape like this, start with the part of the shape that may be more obvious or that you were given the length or width of the opposite side. Don't be afraid to draw lines on the shape so that you can visually see that it matches the other side. So in this case, I will draw a vertical line across the shape so that I can see it better. The key is to break the shape into smaller sections so that you can find all lengths and widths. I will draw a dashed line here. I see that one side of the line is 10 inches and the bottom portion on the left is 2 inches. To get the missing line length, I will subtract 10 minus 2 and I get 8. Now let's move on to the bottom part that I dashed off. I have 3 inches here and 4 inches on the bottom. Since this part is missing, I will subtract 4 minus 3 to get 1. So at the top I have 6 plus 5 plus 1, which is 12. So the top is 12 inches. And finally add 2 inches on the right side, which is the same size as the left. After we figured out all of the sides, let's add the numbers to get the perimeter. Here are a few more tips before I show you another practice problem. When you have a complex shape, it may be best to remove some of the numbers by redrawing the shape and find the section that you need first by using the measurements that will help you find that side only. Another tip is to use color coding, which means to color the lines that have the same size lengths or widths. Let's try another example. I will leave the tips on the side so that you can refer back to them as we find the perimeter of the next shape. Let's start with the red dashed lines. Since we know one side is 5 meters and the small section here is 1 meter, we can subtract 5 minus 1 to get 4 for the red section. 4 on the other side as well because they are equal. Now that we have this side, we can fill in the missing side on the right. It is 6 meters because 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now let's find the other two sides. We have 8 meters on the bottom. We have 4 meters on the top. So we know that 8 minus 4 minus 1 equals 3 meters. The missing side at the top right is 3 meters. Now that we have all sides, let's add the numbers to find the perimeter. 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. So the perimeter is 30 meters. Here are some practice problems. Try these shapes on your own. You can also find these shapes and more complex shapes in my TPT store, which is in the description. I want to thank you so much for watching my video today. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more educational videos.